Is there something before pre-production? Like I know after the budget, that's what happens next. But like, where, when, and where do like the lawyers come into play?
Correct. That's a
Like,
great question.
I know there's a bunch of entertainment lawyers, but like, and whether you know what exactly their job is or not, but where, like I said, where do they come into play when it comes to these stages?
Yeah. So, some people would say, especially like how we broke it down just now, that they may be coming earlier, maybe when the budget's being done. But for me, how I see it is that you need to understand what you can offer to this entertainment lawyer, or how you can even get them paid. You know what I'm saying? And in order for you to do that, you need to have all of these things finished and flushed out. So you can also you're pitching to the entertainment lawyer as well too. Because let's keep it real. You are an indie filmmaker. You're coming up. You're trying to do this yourself. Most of the time, trying to afford an entertainment lawyer is tough, right? Mm-hmm. So another way that you can do it too is that you can always pitch to them as well too. You know what I'm saying? You can always pitch to them and let them know, hey, I would love for you to represent me on this project. There's a couple of different resources that I hope to acquire from you, but I will want to see if maybe you will want to take either points or percentage of the revenue that comes into or however you see fit. But there's always different ways of getting them on your team. But I would say at this point, especially when you made the budget, when you have the script done, you did the script coverage, you're getting all of your paperwork ready as far as ownership. This is where your lawyer comes in, because now the EP will work with the actual lawyer to get all of this paperwork done, you know what I'm saying, on your behalf. So not only would you can continue to create, but at this point in time, what's important right now is you being able to actually have an entertainment lawyer go through all of the chain of title documents, or whichever documents is needed at this particular juncture in order for you to move on to the pre-production stage. So right now it will include, while budgeting is happening, you're also reaching out. There's a lot of things happening simultaneously as well too.
Okay.
Because while you're reaching out, while you're doing the budget, you're also reaching out to actors and actresses. You're also coming up with scheduling, you know what I'm saying, to see when potential shoot dates. So you can tell the actors, this is the shoot dates, this is the pay, this is how much we're going to pay, this, that, and the third. Now, most of the time people say you could reach out in pre-production. I like to start a little bit early just to reach out and say, hey, this is something that might be done. Can you, is this something that you'll be able to do? Now, of course, they'll need to sign an NDA and everything like that, because they have to see certain parts of the script in order for them to even audition or anything like that. But if you're reaching out to a particular actor or actress, you want to make sure that, as far as certain paperwork as like NDAs and things like that is also created, so then you can also send out to them as well too. And that's something that your entertainment lawyer could do. So a lot of things has happened simultaneously. Now, as far as like, I'm not saying reach out to, I'm saying if you have like key actors that you may want to reach out to just to see if they'll be able to be a part of it, and that's cool. Make sure they sign an NDA, which you would get from your entertainment lawyer. And then you'll be able to reach out to them, but not as far as like putting things on like backstage and things like that, where you're looking at that happens all in pre-production. But as far as right now, what's very important is that making sure in this stage right now that you have all of the legal protection that you can get from your entertainment lawyer, and this is the starting point for all of that.
Oh,